News starts now.
Now at 5, mysterious booms. We've told you about the loud sounds in Clintonville, and now similar noises are heard in Montello. Tonight in Clintonville, the city is trying to record the noises that have roused residents from bed in the past few days.
They set up audio and video recorders overnight. They didn't capture anything. The booms, though, started on Sunday, and residents are describing them as sounding like thunder, fireworks, or someone slamming a heavy door. The city will hold a meeting tonight to update residents on the investigation.
And tonight there are reports of more booming sounds 80 miles away. Police in Montello are now investigating similar sounds. NBC 15's Chris Woodard joins us with more.
Ellie, it's the talk of the town in Montello today. A loud rumble last night that was apparently loud enough to shake walls and rattle windows. Last night, the police department there received several reports of a loud rumble and a loud noise around 5:30. Police say they are investigating, but so far, they don't have an explanation. They've checked with typical sources like utility companies or anyone who could have been drilling or doing construction in the area.
We have a lot of good, reliable sources that reported this pretty much community-wide, and, you know, at this point in time, it is quite the talk of the town. There's no doubt about it.
There was a loud boom, and all the windows shook, the whole house shook. And I looked out and couldn't see smoke or flames or anything.
Today, University of Wisconsin-Madison seismologist Harold Tobin said that he was not aware of any seismic readings or reports of the boom near Montello. But some of the people we talked to in Montello say, listen, we're not just crazy or making something up. They say they heard about what was going on in Clintonville after what happened to them last night in Montello. And they said that was only because they started doing research after they heard their own